Thinking about replacing your boiler flue? At Boilers2Go, we know that understanding the costs is vital for your home maintenance. In 2026, a typical replacement in the UK ranges from £220 to £850 depending on flue type and access. Legally, any flue work is classed as gas work and must be performed by a Gas Safe Register registered engineer. Horizontal flues are standard, while vertical roof flues often cost significantly more in both parts and the required labour. Access is another major factor. If your flue is high up and requires scaffolding, you can expect the price to increase. Your investment covers high-quality parts like pipes and seals alongside the expert labour needed for a safe, compliant installation. Costs can be higher in conservation areas, but remember that flue replacement is often included when installing a brand new boiler. To avoid surprise costs, regular annual servicing helps identify flue issues early before they become expensive, stressful heating emergencies. For more expert heating advice, follow Boilers2Go, subscribe now and keep your home warm and safe all year round.